Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing a Yoshimura Fender Eliminator Kit on my 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. So without wasting too much time, let's take a look what's in the box and get it installed on the bike. Alright guys, here's the box. The part number. Gonna leave it also in the description in case anybody is looking for one. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed really quickly. Some packing material. You get all the nuts and bolts that you need and a heat shrink for the two wires. Alright, the license plate cover and an LED light and the actual mount itself. And the mount just requires basically two screws and that's it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the stock one removed and the new one installed. Alright guys, so this is what we need to do under the bike. So there's 4 bolts that we have to remove. 1, 2 right here, and then 3 and a 4, and this fender will come off, but if you look further down, there's 2 wires here that go to the license plate light. We're going to have to cut those wires and then attach them to the new wires on the new tail tidy or fender eliminator, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so the stock piece is off. As you can see, these are the 2 stock wires. I already exposed the wire, and here's the new piece. It's only going to use the 2 bolts in the same stock location. That's right here. Now, basically what's going to happen is, see this little black shroud? These are the wires that's going to go back in its place. And it's going to be fed through this hole. So what I'm going to do right now, this wire is too long, right? So I'm going to actually cut it to about here. I'm going to expose the new wires. And then I'm going to use these shrink wrap wire connectors. As you can see here, there's a little bit of solder. So both wires are sort of going to come together. And using a heat gun, or you can use, light or whatever you want to do. I'm going to use a heat gun. And that should really do it. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. The wires are done. I'm gonna go and do a quick test, make sure the LED works fine, and then we'll continue. Yep, and as you can see, the LED light's working perfect. Alright, so I'm just gonna use some electrical tape to tidy up the wires, and that should be pretty much it. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of a Fender Eliminator Kit from Yoshimura on my 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. Hopefully this video was useful to some of you. As always, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care.